Hey friends, it's Renee here, and I'm just bringing you a fast video to show you the haul I just recently got. It's not a big one, but it's a cool one, so let's have a look. So I buy some stuff occasionally from a group on YouTube called Sacred Mementos, and it comes from the States, and they have some very cool things. Patty and her friends who do selling on there have some really neat stuff. One thing I did get, and this is not old by any stretch, but I can't seem to ever find it here in Canada, is some fabric like this. And these are all fabrics from Kathy Holden. I got, I think there's 2 yards here, I don't know, but 2 yards I believe of each of these, and they are so cool, and they're going to make for great junk journal covers. So I have all of those, and these I believe are all from the Flea Market Finds or Flea Market Fresh lines, and they're all very, very cool. So let's have a look at these. Look at this. Like, these are gonna make for some cool journal covers. So I have these, and you will have seen I do have small, the 6x6 squares of some of these, but they're not big enough to make a cover. But these ones are, like, they're very nice. So these will be very nice covers. So she went to, I believe, her local quilting store and picked these up, and I bought some of those because I cannot find these here. If any of you are Canadians and you've seen these in Canada, please let me know, because it would be nice to get them. Some other things I got. This was from one of the sellers on there. It's just a cabinet card, but it's very cool. Very neat one. So I got that. These ones are really neat. These are, I believe she said they're bamboo, but I'm assuming they are. I don't know. But I bought some of these. They feel like it. They definitely do feel like it. But these are all just thin numbers. You can probably see they're not thick by any stretch, but they're bendy. But some random numbers. So these will be really cool in our creations. So got 2 packs of those. These ones are really neat. These are hang tags. And I don't know, I lived on a farm, but we did not have livestock. These, I'm guessing, I've heard people say that they're for cows, but I don't know if they actually are or not. So if any of you are farmers, that'd be great to find that out. They're definitely old. It says it says stockyards on them, so it must be for cows. But very cool. You could use these for anything. So these will be fun. And these definitely were not ever used. None of this stuff was used. It's just extra from somewhere. These ones are kind of neat too. It's the Reading Company, or Reading. This, it says duplicate check. This is from the railroad. So I'm sure it's Reading Railroad. But very neat. Doesn't say exactly how old this is, but it's obviously the 1900s. But I'm guessing maybe mid-century, maybe a little bit earlier. So there's that. Same type of idea, Railroad Administration COD Agent Stub. So this is Philadelphia and Reading Railway. So there's some COD cards. Very neat, so they're for your baggage. These are some vintage flashcards, and I have a bunch of them in here. So we have those 2. I have 2 packages of these. They're slightly different, but they're from the Reading Company. Parcel Express Waybill. So they're waybills from 1951 to 1952, and there might be some other dates in here, but they're from the 50s, or maybe even the late 40s. So there's a bunch of different waybills in here. Those are kind of cool. I have a whole bunch of these, which I thought was really neat. It's K&T Erectors, so it's like an invoice or a receipt for rigging and steeplejack work. So There's a whole bunch. These are going to make for some very cool inserts for our journals. I got this cute little book, and I have many little books. This one, it's The Tempest from Shakespeare. I tried looking through it to find out a date in here, and there are no dates in here. This is very old, like very old. The paper is a lot different than most, but I can't tell what kind of paper it is, to be honest. Yeah, it's falling apart. There's the cover. It's coming out of here, but it is a very cute little book, and yeah, it's got the smell. So there's that. One thing that she gave me too was an envelope of a whole bunch of different papers, and they're very pulpy feeling. There's some nice colors on here. So these almost feel like they could be wallpaper. They're very thick. Yeah, they feel very pulpy, but they're very neat. So they probably are wallpaper. It's hard to tell, but very neat papers. So these will be neat in our creations, because I do have an album or journal coming up, and it's going to be very artistic, with lots of artistic pieces to it. And I am going to be having a sale or selling a whole bunch of our older books. I have tons of older books for those of you that are into older books, or even for people that collect books. Like some of these are very, very old. This one here, let's see, for example, I can't believe, I don't think I've showed you any of these. This one is from 1903, but there's Shakespeare. Like, there's a lot of very old books here. So these will all be coming up, and I will be selling these, and they're very old. So you can use these for scanning and using them in your creations, or you could even, if you're a book collector, these would be great. I have way more than this. I have larger books, which are going to be harder to sell, really, because they're so large, unless you care about, you don't care about the shipping costs. But there's tons more coming. Yeah, like they're so old. This one is 1923. It's even embossed. This one came in pretty good condition, actually. I'll show you some more. I have some of these old ones that are readers. I have lots of those. I have lots and lots of readers. Uncle Wiggily's Fortune. So I have some of these ones. An Irish Saint. These are just some of the many books I have. Like, I have quite a few books. This one here is very neat. School Arithmetic. This one is from 1858. So I am considering selling some of these. Here's a book on shorthand. So if this is something you're interested, I would love to know in the comments, because I might be doing an auction on my Facebook page for some of these. So yeah, like I said, there's lots and lots as they keep getting up and up. This one's from 1961. It's not as old, but it's older. This one is very old. This one is actually split in two. This one is from 1840s, and it is a very cool book. Yeah, it is this the one? I believe, yeah, this one is in German, and it's quite a big book, so I have that one. And then I also have this one, Birds of Western Canada, and this one is really old as well. So somebody gave it to somebody in 2006, but it's an old book. Let's see here, it was 75 cents. It's from 1926. So there are some pictures. There's different plates of pictures. It's quite a really cool book. Lots of plates. So I do have a lot of books. These are only some of them that I have. And I would love to know if you're interested in any of these, because like I said, I will be selling some of them. Yeah, so let me know. I will have more hauls coming soon, but I just wanted to let you all know as well, I have lots more content coming soon, and I will be posting videos almost, well, very regularly, almost every second day, if not every second day. So make sure you keep watching and you subscribe and hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button so you get all of these and you don't miss out. I thank you guys, everybody, for watching my videos. Don't forget to, like I said, hit that subscribe, and there's tons more coming. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day and happy crafting.